Hey, what's up, guys? So here's a really cool new accessory by ToroBand. It is a 5-point door hook that you can use to do many exercises, pushing, pulling exercises. You can do single arm, two arm, and what's neat about it is it'll attach on any door. My basement door here is actually broken and still works fine. And you can set your anchor points for different heights to work the muscle in a different way, get different angles. So this is a great tool to add to your home workout arsenal. Definitely worth checking out.